Does your baby need to be rocked to sleep by you, or wake up in the middle of the night demanding a breast, bottle, or cuddle before drifting back to sleep? If your little one is at least 4 months old, it may be time to start sleep training. That means baby is put down for bed fully awake, and she drifts off without being rocked, swayed, cuddled, nursed, or shushed. Many experts say that sleep training is not only safe, but it's also healthy and important for baby's development. Here we have some tips on how and when to start sleep training your baby to help everyone get a good night's sleep. The cry it out method of sleep training, also called the extinction method, involves putting your baby to bed and letting her cry until she falls asleep without any comfort or help from you. Not a fan of letting a baby cry without some degree of attention and comfort? Try the Ferber method, a type of graduated extinction, or check and console, which involves allowing your baby to cry for a set period of time before you check on her. This method may work better for older babies and might feel more comfortable to you and your baby than cry it out or Ferber. Sit in a chair next to your baby's crib until she falls asleep, without picking her up. At that point, your baby should be able to fall asleep without you there. When your baby falls asleep with you in the room, she may be startled and possibly upset when she awakes and you're no longer there. Baby's body might not be ready for sleep at your desired bedtime. The bedtime fading method can modify her circadian rhythm to get bedtime to where you want it to be. After a few nights of putting her down at that time, move bedtime 15 minutes earlier and repeat the process with this new bedtime. Gradually move bedtime earlier in 15-minute increments until you reach your desired bedtime. This sleep training technique involves going through your baby's normal bedtime routine, then putting her down to bed drowsy but awake. If not, go in to pick her up and soothe her. Repeat the process until your baby falls asleep.